Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best gate coaching in your city Faridabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best gate preparations in your city Faridabad. Before moving to the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the topic. One, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is a rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Gate Forum Coaching. Gate Forum is a well-known and trusted name for gate coaching. It offers classroom coaching, correspondence courses, target online and offline, and e-tutor online classroom coaching for gate. Also, they provide students options to choose either e-gate at home or gate coaching at center. Live classes through internet by expert faculty is provided by the institute. Furthermore, they also provide option to recover missed classes. There is a fixed batch schedule, so students can choose as per their choice. Either they can go for a weekend classroom program or weekdays classes. Gate Forum was started in the year 2005 with a vision to provide world-class preparatory tools to GATE aspirants. Further, Gate Forum has introduced new and innovative products for GATE preparation every year. The newest on the list is e-GATE live classes for GATE exams, which provides live classes relayed from studios to classrooms and student laptops on the internet in high quality. Gate Forum offers intensive classroom program in over 20 cities. Now let's discuss its address, contact number, fee structure, etc. So the address of this institute is 2nd floor 5E8 BP Neelam Crossing NIT Faridabad. Its contact number includes 9873904578 and 0129415005. The fee structure of the institute is Rs 25,000. At rank 4, we have Triumphant Institute of Management Education, that is TIME Institute. TIME is India's leading test preparation institute with a pan-India presence and is headquartered at Hyderabad. It was established in the year 1992 and now it operates out of 236 offices located in 118 towns and cities across the country. So friends, now let's discuss its address, contact number and the fee structure. So the address of TIME Institute is SCO 97 2nd floor sector 16 near Huda Market, Faridabad 121001. Its contact number includes 0129412041 and 9266620451. And the fee structure of the institute is Rs 32,000. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is the GATE Coach Coaching. The GATE Coach is a pioneer coaching institute for GATE IES PSU examination. The GATE Coach has its head office in Delhi and it has been ranked as the best institute for GATE coaching and training to engineers from various backgrounds, and having more than 15 years of excellence in education and more than 8,000 students got selected in various fields. This institute has a systematic and scientific methods made by IITians which are followed by the students for preparation of GATE and IES. In addition to this, coaching classes have helped the students to secure best ranks in various competitive examination. Okay, so the contact number of the institute includes 09818652587 and the fee structure of the institute includes rupees 22,000. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city, Faridabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more information and updates like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.